1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will start with the men's perspective, and now we will dance 2 consecutive dips. First one is to the right. Gentlemen, bend your left knee more and reach with the right leg to the right side without shifting your weight yet. Now the most important thing is for both of you to shift your weights at the same time exactly, in sync with each other, and remember to actively use the standing leg to push off and shift your weight to the opposite one. Gentlemen, right knee should be bent immediately, directed to the corner of the room. Only when you've shifted your weight here, tilt your upper body to the right, looking at the lady, but avoid leaning forward. Keep your right hand strong, elbow away from your body, support the lady's back. To get out of the pose, firmly push off the right leg, shift your weight to the left, connect your feet and shift your weight to the right leg. Add the left hand to embrace the lady. Repeat the dip, but to the left this time. Bend your right knee, reach with the left leg, shift your weight to the left. Notice that this time you have to rotate your body a bit counterclockwise to keep both hands on the lady's waist. Still, avoid leaning forward, just straighten your elbows a bit to allow the partner to go into the pose. Push off the left leg, shift your weight to the right, tap with the left leg. Rotate your body clockwise to lead the lady around you to your right side. At this point we'll stop to cover the lady's perspective. We will turn around for this part to make sure that you can see everything clearly. We've ended the previous part like this. Bend your knee, reach backward with the right leg, actively push off the left leg. Left leg is straight, right knee is bent. Drive your hips forward and up and tilt your upper body and head backward, rotating slightly clockwise. You can lead the right hand to the side and follow it with your gaze. Push off the right leg firmly to get out of the pose. Shift your weight to the left leg, start rotating clockwise. Take a small step onto the right leg, continue the rotation to end up with the right side to the partner. Bend your right knee, push off the right leg and take a step backward with the left leg. This time right leg is straight, left knee is bent, drive your hips forward and up, tilt backward, this time rotating slightly counterclockwise and leading the left hand to the side. Push off the left leg and shift your weight to the right leg, step with the left leg moving around the man to end up on his right side facing him. Ladies, during the dips, it's very important for you to avoid pulling the partner with you. Focus on dancing the dip, staying within your own balance as much as you can. If you want the pose to be deeper, do it by bending your knee more while keeping the center of mass above the standing leg. Gentlemen, you should avoid leaning over the partner during the dips because you may lose your balance. Remember to use your legs actively and bend your knee a lot to deepen the pose. The more fluidly and in sync with each other you shift your weights, the better the dip is going to look. Okay, let's go back to our proper direction and we will count this part. At this point we have an exception in our counting because we've counted the previous part only up to 4 and we will start with 1 again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.